Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I will give you an update of my molly breeding. In this tank are my grow out black short body layered tail molly. So since yesterday it rained, that's why the water reaches the overflow. So the rain was so strong and the tank reaches the overflow. In the next tank, this is my breeder. Okay, so there are 1 male and 3 females in this breeding tank that I have. So it almost reaches the overflow. Okay, so that's the male, and there are 3 females. So hopefully these molly here are already pregnant, and soon we're gonna have a new set of mollies. Here is the 3rd tank. This is the another set of breeder molly, and here you notice that the water reaches the overflow, and they are all happy here. Look, the male is still chasing the females. That's a good sign that the male is mating with the females. Now I'm gonna feed the mollies. I will be feeding the grow out, and also I will be feeding the breeder mollies with this fish food. I call this PO1, right? So this is good in breeding mollies and also for the grow out mollies. So let's feed them. It's nice to see that they are growing. We'll also feed the breeder. See, they are very excited to eat the fish food. Oh, that's the male, and there's the 3 females. Right, so hopefully they will become pregnant soon, and we will have another set of mollies. Here in the 2nd tank, we will also feed the breeder mollies. In the 2nd tank, I noticed that the females are already pregnant, and probably within a week or 2 these female mollies will drop baby mollies. So hopefully we will have a new set of mollies with this breeder. Here in this tank are also my breeder mollies, so I still have to clean this. Okay, and here another set of mollies. I need to clean the water, okay, so that I will be able to clearly see them. And here I also need to clean this because there are already small mollies in this breeding tank. I will be also feeding my grow out. This tank is another grow out, molly grow out that I have. Okay, in this tank are my albino mollies. Okay, these are chocolate albino mollies. So currently they are good in this tank and they are growing fast. So last week they are very tiny. Now you can clearly see them. Yesterday it rained. It was a strong rain, okay, but here the water did not reach the overflow. Okay, so I have put overflow here, here, and here, but the water did not reach the overflow. You need to put overflow in your molly tank. Okay, just like here I have here. This is to avoid the molly to jump outside this breeding tank, because if the water reaches at this level, there's a chance that the molly will jump outside this breeding tank that I have. So sometimes I notice there are mollies outside here. It's already dead, because what they do, they jump outside. So I just see them here, lying here. It's already dead. And sometimes I notice that there are already ants. So I said that in order to avoid the mollies to jump outside the breeding tank, I need to have these holes, so that the water will pass through this hole. So in this tank are my mollies, black mollies, and I want to cross these black mollies with this orange mollies, so that I will have like a black with a golden color mollies. So this is, hopefully this will be successful crossbreeding that I have here in this molly tank. So that's all for today, guys, and hopefully you like this video. And for more updates, don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the bell button for you to be notified for my new videos. Again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.